really well on last year.
You gotta wait till
Here's some
after April
slows.
15th.
Yep. Look at that. Yeah, that's
Uh,
the puking.
all right. See some continuation of the downside here, Dakota? What do you think?
Yeah, I definitely do. I'm going to zoom out to an hourly chart now and kind of see where we're at. I mean, we're past throughout the holidays lows. We haven't seen these lows since the 19th. So I can see us going down to 280s.
280s. I see
That
it.
was a quick
And,
60 points.
and naked point of control right there, 284.
Is it really? Man,
Yeah.
looking at the same market, looking at it two different ways and coming to similar
Coming to the
conclusions.
same number.
No, it's
Yeah.
amazing how that all plays out like that.
It blows my mind every time. And it happens so frequently too. We do have some resistance support around this 400 even level, big round number.
You see it?
Microsoft down 2%. Amazon's now down 2%. Meta down 1.6 and Tesla down 1.4. Nvidia off its highs. We're only up 1.5. So these markets are starting to get smacked.
Yep.
What made me choose 380? What do you mean 380? I I was looking at these 380, 390. You can see these pivot points over here on the 1 hour chart.
I see
Right
those.
there.
Yep.
It's
Was
not the
just looking
best
at those.
drawing, right? Anybody could draw these lines, but you could just visually see technicals.
Mm-hmm.
There's some support, resistance, some consolidation there. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe we bounce. If not, we break through that, and the very next level would be I'm looking at these 290s. Do they work every time? Nah, but it gives me a good reference where if we do start to reverse around there, it makes sense, and that's where I could look for another one. And then an extreme, if we get down to the next support resistance. I mean, people are amazed. I know I was talking with Baron on Tuesday about my trade on Tesla. He's like, you're managing a relatively large amount of money on some of these
Mm-hmm.
positions using the most simplest ways to get in and get out of it. I'm like, well, yeah, why not? It's
But simple is
not
good.
overcomplicating it. And it's just like this. It's like, yeah, if we get down to say this level and we get a 3 bar reversal, I'm going to get into a long trade. It's not that simple. It sounds simple, but actually executing is the harder part, and then managing the trade easier said than done.
All right. So we're looking at some continuation here, possibly below the initial balance low in the S&Ps. We are just in a very cheap short here in the S&Ps. MES 6882. We will see. 10 o'clock.
The Nasdaq's going through this session lows.
Yeah, we are.
Someone says this is a successful downside auction.
Yeah, at least that's what it's presenting as for now. Um, IB low 68.85 quarter. So we're gonna go a couple of bucks above that for our stop, and we'll see what happens.
More selling in the Nasdaq too. Session
Yeah.
lows.
Well, the Nasdaq opened below the initial balance low, so that's reeking of continuation.
It keeps flushing here.
I mean, we went through all the short time frame support that we could see in the daily from yesterday or from Wednesday. I mean,
Yeah.
we're through all of that.
Yep, I've had to zoom out to the hourly to find anything. New session lows, 330s.
You can see 841s in the S&Ps.
Oh man, another trader hit your daily profit target. Nice work. Locked out. Great first day of. A lot of traders are doing well, locking themselves out.
Love to see that.
Risk managers. Risk managers.
Hmm.
Yeah, we do.
This market could keep going. Apple just took a hit, down 5.5%. Nvidia might go green or red. Sorry,
Could be.
we were up 3%. We're only up 1% now.
I see that. Gotta hold this IB low.
Yeah. Seems like a pretty wide initial balance range. Is that, am I just.
It's about 60 points in the
Is that pretty much
S&Ps.
average?
Well, let's see. The entire range on Wednesday was 57 and a quarter. It's actually
A little
kind
bit.
of a larger initial
Yeah.
bounce than we've been seeing lately.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
see more sun
Oh,
here.
a new low.
We
Orderly
need
sell off,
we need-
Ray.
Oh,
need
I don't
some
know. I
rain.
was kind of looking at the ES here. I just picking up what you're saying in chat.
New
Let's
lows
see.
gold, 43.35. New lows silver, $71.56.
Mm.
New lows NQ,
Oh, yeah, look at that.
25,333. Yes, we have almost a 500 point range. 500 point range in the NQ. First 90 minutes of the New York
Yeah.
session. Pretty good.
Great way to start the new year.
Andre, we're short a couple of MES.
Love it. What price?
Okay.
68.82.
6882.
Just on the
Five below.
open of this 30-minute bar below the initial balance low.
Sweet. 6882.
I like it.
Initial
Kind of seeing
balance.
Yeah,
some,
if you
some
stay below
eyeballs
that
on this.
IBL, you'd be sweet.
Yeah, we'll see. Either way,
Mm-hmm.
New session
new
lows,
lows.
NASDAQ.
Session lows.
we're a 1-to-1 reward over risk in it now.
Okay.
We're already.
Look at that.
We're selling NQ. We're selling ES. Dow. Just holding tight right now. Short 2 MES. House account still short 1 micro gold from 43.99. $60 in the money right now. Just continuing to see stuff. 500 out of the bid here. 68.78 filled in the ES. 68.78 and 500.
It's some of the best trades are the trades you just forget about and just let it run.
Oh, those are the nicest trades. Ain't nothing like it.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing like it.
Okay. Another little push here. And I just bought one for the break.
You have to explain that, Hogue. I like it. All right, short one. Counterintuitive, but it's an old jaded trader there. Oh, wow. We're closing. Hey, click subscribe. Please click subscribe. Closing on 197,000. I think we can get there today. 197,000 subscribers. Please click subscribe. Like, we got Ray in the house. Got Hogue, Coda. London closed.
Start the new year with 200,000 subs.
We can get there.
We could do a subathon.
Subathon.
Who did that? What was the Dick Clark? Was it Dick Clark? Who did that? What am I going with? Oh, never mind. 43. I was so dated. I don't even know where I was going with that. New lows in silver, $71.
Gold,
Shit.
everything. Everything's
Yeah,
getting whacked.
Yeah, it is. We
I was just
we
sitting.
could trade silver for 23 hours. Let's do it.
Jerry Lewis. Is
Gold
it Jerry
definitely
Lewis? Thank you. Who is?
through settlement.
Oh, what did we see in this setup? 68.82. I know IB low, initial balance low in the ES is 68.85. Is that kind of what we're going up against as perhaps some resistance, if you
Yes.
will? Gotcha.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, if only I had a runner on silver. Hogan might be. We're going into. We talked about this price target on silver, right? The 71.
Yeah. Yeah.
What are we
Yeah.
short? 73.16. Yeah. We came all the way back up to 73s in silver, and then sellers jump back in. $1.40 lower. Jerry Lewis. Thank you. Ray, I'm watching gold. It kind of looks like it's just trending lower.
Yeah, it's really difficult at this point to get in. I feel like I'm taking a whole lot of risk. I'm actually right now I'm kind of looking to see maybe there's an opportunity to kind of look for something that would take it back because we haven't hugged our VWAP recently. So I'm thinking that maybe a little bit of a run here later in the session. So I'm kind of trying to identify some levels here down below that maybe could offer me a good risk reward location for a possible reversal.
For long.
That 43 for long, yeah. Yeah, a little bit of a bounce I'm looking for. But not something that's going to go back to the highs, but something that maybe will get me to, something like a mean reversion type of trade back to VWAP or something along those lines. Maybe a 9 EMA, something like that.
Panda Lover in the chat. Gold closed the gap. That price 43.33. Say the gap was closed.
Yeah. Traded right to value low from Wednesday. Ray. So
Yes, sir.
you start to see some kind of reversal pattern here. There's your risk. There's your risk limiters, the current low.
The current low.
For the long. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, usually these bull swings that we had that little bull swing that we had looked like a 3-bar reversal. Everybody was jumping into that.
Uh-huh.
Usually
Uh-huh.
it takes a couple of attempts at that before it becomes a little bit more of an earnest move here. So maybe another 3-bar reversal pattern, and that would maybe give us a little bit kind of like was it an ending diagonal? Is that the term? A little ending diagonal pattern here, maybe.
Once again. I see some more silver. Man, oh man, they are continuing to sell silver. New lows.
I know I'm watching it. There's some FOMO I have right now on that silver short.
I think
S&Ps keep bouncing off that IB low. 4th time now.
we got for Delta Hug.
Negative 1,800 in the S&Ps.
Okay.
Negative 900 NASDAQ.
All right. How about gold? These gotta be in the minus 1,000, or is it?
Give me a second here.
Yeah, because we're hovering right on the lows, but 43.35. Let's trade there. And bottom of the hour, the London close.
Negative 1,200 in gold.
Yeah.
Silver negative 900.
I still think silver could keep going lower. That higher time frame looks like a pretty clean pattern, to be honest. Very clean pattern to come back down and test below 71.
Who's saying? Hoke said had 71. All 71
Yeah.
out.
Yeah,
45
I think we
cents.
could go test that.
They keep hitting. Keeps bouncing off IB low, Hogue. I was going to short one MES. Short one micro gold. What we got here in Q getting trading 25. So we got some more selling about to jump in here. Yep.
Kerry Fox. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Big wedge, big triangle.
New
Dolby Dorito
lows.
forming on the
NQ
hourly
new
gold and silver.
lows. Oh, new lows ES. We're now about, we see 200 handle, 25,293. 293 new lows. Over 500 point range here in fast markets in the NQ. We trade on the new lows, just getting put in ES. Same story over there.
They tried to come up and get my stop, but they stopped short.
Wow. You know, you bought one for the break, Hogue, so they think we're long.
Yes, I
you
did.
know? They think we're
I
long.
made my
so-
donation. Here comes those 284s in the NASDAQ.
Sure. 60 point range in the ES in fast markets here.
All right.
We're selling silver. We're selling gold.
It keeps going.
Yeah.
Markets are not looking too hot either. Got Microsoft down 2.25, Amazon negative 2.5, Microsoft down negative 2.5, Tesla down almost 2%,
green?
Google down 0.5%. The only thing that's up now is basically Nvidia, and that's
Video.
up 1%. It was up 3. If we lose Nvidia, it could start to get ugly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
gold
are-
does not seem like it's done for sure.
No, it's not. Silver, same.
You
Not
see this?
done.
This is that wedge pattern I was pointing out on silver here. This Dorito.
Yeah.
Beautiful looking Dorito.
Mm-hmm.
See if we come down and we're almost to 71 now.
You think it's going to break
Pushing
that?
lower.
Break 71. So I got 30 cents to go. What's going on in Bitcoin? MBT, take a peek there. Dow is just flatlined. Bitcoin trade 90,190. Not a whole lot going on over there. Silver.
S&P's back to IB low. What the
Selling
heck are
around.
they doing?
You got the 5 minute up there, Hogan, the ES. Would you call
Yeah.
What do you call that? Island bottom with that last wick there? So week that was 68.73.
You're getting a little bit of excess down here, though, aren't we?
That's what it is. Okay.
Yes.
Some short
Man,
covering.
buyer stepped in right there.
There they go. All right. Flat.
Okay. First 3-bar reversal now for a minute. To the long side.
Maybe we get a rotation back to IB high. That'd be nice.
All right. We're long, too.
Nice. All right.
Already paying.
We're just going to risk.
Wow.
We're just going to risk IB low.
Off the 85s, what price did we catch there? 89s, hopefully?
89.75.
Yeah. 89.75. Risking 5 to make. We want to take this thing. IB high, Hogue? That's 40 points higher, 50 points higher.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, if it's a failed downside auction, that's the goal.
Mm-hmm. I like the risk reward on that one.
We shall see.
We will.
I mean, we're still a long ways from the IB low and the NASDAQ, which bothers me, but whatever. We'll see.
I like it. Dow's closing in on the highs here. Finally woke up. Buyer stepped
I wasn't
in.
looking at the NASDAQ. I would have taken this anyway.
I think the ES is taking a cue off the Dow, Hogue, with the financials. I think the Dow. Oh, here goes gold. Shoot, gold's about to.
Wow.
Man, it is just sell into the pops in gold. 43.30, 43.30 new lows gold. This is what we saw. Just
Coffee futures.
ES is rocking. 68.
I don't want to pay more for coffee.
And we already pay enough, don't we?
Yeah.
Depends where you go, right? You make your own?
I don't know if I
yeah.
make my own. I don't grind it, but I do buy.
You harvest the
I do
beans.
buy.
You
Yeah, I do buy the beans
Harvest
and get
the
them
beans.
grinded at the store. But
Yeah,
Juan Valdez.
no, I don't have a coffee plantation, nothing like that.
That'd be awesome if Ray, if you did.
Yeah.
How cool would that be, man? That'd be so cool. You could be like, yeah, you could hedge it and shit on
I have to
delivery
move
and
to
all.
Guatemala or something like that.
Huh?
I don't buy it at Starbucks. I make it.
Yeah, that's what I was referring to.
Yeah,
Starbucks is
I don't.
I think Starbucks will water down, to be honest. Lazy Lion Brew. Look at that. You guys
There's
are
your
coming up
company.
with all these ideas for
There's your company.
Lazy Lion Brew.
Lazy Lion Brew.
Right to the low.
It does.
Watching gold grind
Coffee
lower now.
company called NASCrack. Ooh.
Ooh, jet fuel.
Oof. I'll take the E-mini. I'll take the E-mini.
New lows gold.
Oh, you
New
can
lows
imagine what
gold.
the menu would look like.
Yeah,
Wow,
house account
gold
short.
is just-
Yeah, it's just house account $70 in the money, $70 in the money on this short gold trade.
You guys still holding
L3 bar
the
reversal.
house account gold
Yeah.
short?
Yeah, from 4399. New
Oh,
low
wow.
silver now.
That's a beauty. That's a beauty.
Yeah, it's
Wow. Yeah, gold's just flushing.
yep, ES
Along with
closing in on
silver.
those 71. Silver closing in on 71. About 20 cents to go, 25 cents to go. 900 a lot,
I don't-
68.81 on the bid, 68.81.
I don't like the
900.
longs on NASDAQ. Even though that 3-bar reversal, I still don't like the longs. We could just keep going here.
Oh, this is a mess of for our
Flat
you know,
ES now. Just
Okay.
getting chopped up around the IB low here.
Another round of sun in silver. 800 lot now pull up down to 68.80. 68.80 on 800. 4 points lower in the ES. London closed 11 minutes. No. Nice cut, Hoax. It's getting choppy right around here.
Yeah, it is.
So coming into a 200. $200 SMA on the gold.
What price you got for that, Ray? Trading 43.28.
Well, it's a little still a ways away, but that's right around 4,300, 4,297.
Okay.
320.
Yeah, markets are definitely moving.
All right.
Nothing on the wire. Ready. All right. Bit of a holding pattern here. Ray's flat. Dakota's flat. Hogue flat. House account still got the
Jace-
one.
Jay said there's 800 at the bid in the ES.
Yeah.
668?
68.80. Yeah.
Yep, there it is.
What's 78? Is 70 still there? Yeah, it was 78. Came up to 8.
See if we get filled.
80 on 800. 1.5 points lower right now. Oh, it's holding right now. ES. We'll get it. Nasdaq Nasdaq about 40 points off the lows there. We're over a 500 point range in the NQ. First in fast markets, high of 25,803. Recent lows just printed 25,293. 510 points. Yes.
So far, that's the high of the year today.
803, yeah. Hey, wow, man, oh man, oh man. Oh, well done. Yeah, man.
Now we're talking.
Dakota's so good, man. He's been crushing it with those lately. Will we? Close. I love when Dakota even laughs at his own jokes. All right, we'll let this play out. Watch this. Marcus feels like a soul. Let's bring in Dr. Volatility. James, come on. Here we got some announcements. Happy New Year, James. We got, whoa, what do we got?
Hey, everybody. It's not the news, but it is your favorite guy here to give the announcements. And today I'm here to talk to you about Top Step X in 5 minutes or less. Those who are in the know that I'm talking about the YouTube series hosted by Coach Robert, where he goes through everything you need to know about the platform Top Step X. Whether you are a new trader or a seasoned veteran, there is always something to learn about the latest and greatest trading platform. So go ahead and click on the link we're going to drop in chat. Check out our YouTube series. You can learn everything from how to favorite products, how to host multiple charts on one page, and more. Coach Robert is constantly updating these videos, and we hope that you gain valuable insight and knowledge to make your trading plan that much stronger. So take a look at the videos, watch some you don't know, bookmark them for later, and never stop learning about how to use TopStep X, power at your fingertips. Now, we're also going to talk about another platform called X. Don't let it confuse you. I'm talking about the platform that used to be known as Twitter. Now it goes by X. And did you know you can find us on there? That's right. You can find Top Step TV on the X. And while you're there, give us a follow. Give the Top Step Core account a follow. Follow our help channel at Ask Top Step for all your support needs. Whatever you need, you can find something related to us on X, and be sure to follow all of our accounts. Follow Michael. He drops tidbits and hints about what's coming out this next year. So be sure you are following everything Top Step related. This is also where you're going to go to post your hashtag fast markets and power hour submissions. So there's tons and tons and tons of things you can do on X. So follow us today if you're not already. We're going to drop the link in the chat. Be sure to take Top Step with you wherever you go. Then later today, you know it, you love it, group coaching. Today we have Hogue, Hoop, and Anne-Marie. We're going to be sitting down taking your questions live during group coaching. This is the point in the show where if you have a trading question you want answered by Hogue, Hoop, or Anne-Marie, you have the opportunity to do so. We're going to pin another link to the chat. This one's going to be pinned to the top, so you have a while to think about your group coaching question, submit it, and then tune back in here today at 12:15 p.m. Central Time, right after Shoulder Tap at noon. Valuable information coming your way only on Top Step TV. Start the new year right, get your questions in, and then be here for Shoulder Tap at noon, followed by group coaching at 12:15 p.m. Central Time. That's all I got for you guys now. Start checking off those New Year's resolutions, and I'll throw it back to you guys. Andre, how we looking?
Well, I'm going to push lower here in ES buyer stepped in. Get a little choppy here, Hogue. That 800 lot on the bid in the ES was not filled. You're now we actually ran away from it, now about 11 points higher from that. 68.91. Where are we along from? 89s?
Yeah. Doesn't seem to be doing much.
Are we convinced the lows are in? Are we convinced? I don't. Yeah, pin to the top
I
of
am.
the chat. Are you?
Yeah. Lows of the year
To some
in.
degree. In the
Lows of the
S&Ps.
year.
NASDAQ almost got to our 284 level.
Huh?
Oh. ECH, baby.
Absolutely. 68.90. We're watching ES. That 800 lot has been pulled. And Q trading 25,375. About 80 points off the lows.
Kind of hanging out here around these mid 300s.
London closed 4 minutes. 4 minutes. There you go. Bilbo. Highs and lows of the year in the same day. How about that? How about that? That is, they took your joke and they just took it. They just took the ball and ran with it. There you
Ran
go.
with it.
Well
Shows you
done,
how
Bilbo.
volatile today was.
Yes. %70 long tilt in Crew. What's going on in Crew? Crew was trading the 56 handle. $56.79 last trade. MBT, micro Bitcoin, 90,415. Could you take any NASDAQ trades today?
No, I mean there's those 3-bar reversals, and so far they've played out pretty well. I was watching silver. I'm up 210. It's Friday, and start of the new year. I'll be
Synthetic
happy to end
Monday.
today green. Yes,
Start the year off right.
start the year off right. Yeah, I mean it's been tough to hold this long down here, but so far that 3-bar reversal is still playing out. Like all of them today have played out pretty well. Now it's hindsight capital, right? But
Mm.
like I'm counting 4 of them that showed itself, and all 4 of them today
That's
have.
short, Dakota. I mean, if you took the short up there, that's that's it was a hell of a call.
It's a good one
Hindsight
if you
capital.
were.
Yeah, it was. It was just lower. We're talking right around 25.
Yeah.
1,580,
I mean,
give or take.
I don't want to say it's so simple, but I mean, and it is easier said than done. But you don't need to complicate your trading more than a single setup, and executing a setup, and just risk management. Risk management every
Okay.
single time is more
Hey, look at
important
nods
than
Uncertainty
Uncertainty
approval.
kills. Just because
Yeah.
we never know what's going to happen, and uncertainty is what gets you. Look at I'm looking at Ray. Ray looks like a lion who just ate.
He's nodding approval about that risk management.
Yes.
Yes. Nice.
Yeah.
Got 90 seconds till the London close. Again, pin to the top of the chat. Group coaching questions. Get those in for Anne Marie Hoop and Hogue. Is Anne Marie back stateside? She was in Japan. She's back in the States.
It's a good
Stay
question.
tuned. Well, ask it in the group coaching forum. Anne Marie, or where are you?
Somebody was asking earlier about my settings on this DMI indicator, and it's really defaults, guys. There's really nothing to. The only thing that I change is the colors, right? So positive DI, meaning buying pressure, is green. Selling pressure is red. We're all